Hello again, everybody. Drew Johnson here, East Region Grain Origination Manager with Agtegra with the weekly market update. It's been a busy week this week, so let's get into it. On the corn side of things, the corn market was pulled higher most of the week due to optimism in the soybean market, but we are seeing futures fade a little bit as we end the month of October. December corn futures did trade higher and tried to test resistance at 437 futures, which is the 200-day moving average, but could not break through it due to selling pressure. U.S. harvest progress is estimated to be 72% complete versus 81% last year, and Argentina corn planting is estimated to be 35% complete. Due to the U.S. government shutdown, there has been no export sales reports released, but export inspections for the U.S. remain positive at 57.8% above last year. Now on to the soybeans. This week was all about the soybean markets, with the soy complex rallying most of the week in anticipation of a U.S.-China trade deal. That deal was announced on Thursday morning, with China saying they will purchase 12 million metric tons of U.S. soybeans this year, with commitments to purchase 25 million metric tons of U.S. soybeans for the next 3 years. Upon the announcement, soybean futures traded to new yearly highs across the deferred months, with January futures trading up to 11.14, with support now at 1080. It is to note that the market did gap higher on Monday, October 27th, and that is something to watch going forward as gaps get filled. U.S. export inspections are 36.9% below last year. Now on to the wheat markets. The wheat markets followed the support showed by soybeans this week, with both the Kansas City winter wheat and Minneapolis spring wheat futures breaking through or testing key resistant futures points at 520 and 570 respectively. So far, both have not been able to maintain the support, as there was no mention of wheat in the U.S.-China trade deal, and U.S. wheat is not real competitive in the world at this time. Support for Kansas City winter wheat futures and Minneapolis spring wheat futures are at 504 and 544 respectively. Harvest continues to progress across Agtegra. For updates on market or pricing strategies, please contact your local grain marketing specialist. For information on location dumping hours, please visit our website or enroll in our text alerts, which can also be found on our website. We are here to help. That's what we do. Happy harvesting, everybody.